Hello everyone, Nikki Corbin here with Tiny Life Home.
And I'm standing in our Smoky 1250. There's so many new added features that I am thrilled to tell you all about. So stay tuned. I'm excited you're coming on this journey with me.
Let's experience all the goodness that this model brings.
So this is our Smoky 1250 that is currently on the lot. And what you are going to see is this beautiful color is called Grizzle Gray. And what you will find around the entire house is that it is trimmed in white, including the front porch. I'm so thrilled that I get the opportunity just to kind of talk about the upgrades in this beautiful model here. When you walk into the Smoky 1250, you're going to see these beams in an A-frame style that just helps make the home look so much grander. One of our biggest upgrades for the Smoky is this beautiful electric fireplace, and we have replaced the wooden mantle with quartz. And get this quartz carries on over here to the kitchen counter. Another feature is that we've added 2 windows just to make the room a lot more brighter when you walk in. You're gonna see here that the Smoky has plenty of storage space. So I'm pulling, this is right here in the kitchen. You've got all this extra storage space right here, which is so nice. You could put your dishes in there. You could put some pots and pans, whatever meets your fancy. Put that option of the stainless steel package. So as you can see here, this beautiful oven, the microwave, this farmhouse style sink. And then you have this dishwasher, full-size dishwasher. Isn't that great? I think sometimes people don't realize you can actually put a full-size dishwasher in a tiny home. Another feature that the Smoky has, an upgrade, is that they have the option of these movable shelves. So you can see there's a little holder there, but you just take those out and you place the shelves wherever you would like. Storage space is essential. So I love how here at Tiny Life Homes, we really take the time to think these things through. The Smoky also comes with these Mitsubishi electric split units. So there's one right here in the living room, and then you're going to find another one in the bedroom. You're gonna see in this area, we have a full refrigerator, but we also have a pantry option, which is a double pantry. It's so nice, so spacious. And then at the bottom, these 2 doors are gonna open up. So you have this option plus this incredible closet.
You also can have the pantry area and the area where you can actually make that into an office area, like put a desk there, or you can take out both the pantry and closet and have the option of putting in bunk beds. So if you have grandchildren or extra guests, the Smoky does come with those 3 different options. You'll see in the bathroom, it has a banjo style quartz countertop. So ladies, look where you can put all your makeup and accessories. And you have this medicine cabinet here, which is so nice above the sink. Then another cabinet space with the movable shelving.
The shower, it is subway tile with gray grout. This isn't a tiny home, it's massive. We have an LG front loader. Look how fancy that is, y'all. Full size. How nice is that? You walk into the bedroom, and the bedroom comes with a built-in bed frame. You see that? And this is queen size. And then underneath the bed, you're gonna have these pull-out drawers. They're rubber band together so they don't move, but they're nice sized drawers. And you also have this chest of drawers. So you'll see in the bedroom, it comes with 2 sliding barn doors, which opens up into 2 closets. So you have plenty of space, not only with drawers, but with closets. And above the closet, you have a little bit more area up here where you can put some little bits of storage. So this model has so much storage space. I'm so in love with it. The Smoky also includes a remoteless package. You're gonna see here that this light switch controls the ceiling fan in the bedroom. And this light turns on the overheads. And it comes with dimmers. I love that. This is going to be your smart station for the split unit. So you're gonna see that the loft in the Smoky is so much better. As you climb up these steps, you're gonna have a platform before getting to the loft. So this just gives you an extra landing place and then another step to go up to the loft.
As you can see, I'm sitting in the loft of the Smoky, and I'm sitting on this lush carpet. And I highly recommend getting carpet in the loft because it does help with the comfort of your knees. So if you're using the loft space as storage, if you're using it as a guest bedroom, if you're like me and you use your loft as a closet, I just highly recommend getting this lush carpet.
And I love the flooring in here. Throughout the downstairs area, you are going to have weathered post flooring. As you can see, it just continues all the way through this beautiful home. And you know what? Life doesn't get much better than when you live tiny.